Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to wipe any Android phone to factory settings or how to reset your Android phone to factory settings. So guys, if you want to reset your Android to factory settings or you want to completely wipe out your Android phone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen. And now you have to simply open settings on your device first. Once you are here, you have to simply scroll it below and here you will get system settings. Simply tap on this and now scroll it below all the way and tap on reset options. And here you will get multiple reset options. You can reset mobile network settings, reset Bluetooth Wi-Fi, reset app preferences, erase SIMs, delete private space, and in the end you will get erase all data option or factory reset option. So guys, you have to simply tap on erase all data from here and wait here for some seconds and scroll it below all the way, and from here you will get erase all data option. So guys, once you tap on erase all data, you will be asked to enter your Android phone's password. So guys, you have to simply tap on erase all data and then give your password of your Android phone, and after this your Android phone will be completely wiped away or it will be factory reset. So guys, simply tap on erase all data, enter your password, and then your Android phone will be reset to factory settings. So guys, in this way you can also reset your Android phone to factory settings. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.